Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have parts, now move fast. Clean each jig head with rubbing alcohol and once dry, roughen shiny spots with 400-600 grit. Choose adhesive. Cyanocrylate cures fast, epoxy gives working time, pick based on patience. Dry fit the eye using tweezers and a toothpick to check alignment. Make sure the eye sits on the center line and is the correct distance from the top. You want symmetry front to back. This prevents the lure from rolling in water. You're at the critical glue step. Put a very small drop of adhesive into the eye socket or on the back of the eye. Too much glue creates mess and weak bond. Position the eye with tweezers, then press gently with a toothpick for 3-5 seconds to ensure contact. If using epoxy, allow 5-10 minutes of working time and then hold until tack. If using cyanocrylate, use an accelerator spray for instant set. Make sure alignment is perfect before final cure. You finish by cleaning and reinforcing. Once the adhesive is cured, trim any flash with a hobby blade and sand lightly. Then seal edges with a thin epoxy layer or clear UV coat for impact resistance. Make sure the eye is flush and centered, and let the final cure meet the adhesive's full time. If something goes wrong, misalignment, or excess glue, use CA debonder to free the eye, or gently heat and soften epoxy for removal. Then reset with fresh adhesive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.